So you want to back up your iPhone, make sure you don't lose your data or important photos. You just need to first of all download iTunes to your PC or laptop, connect your phone via the charger cable, and then you're going to get a screen like this. You just need to come to the top left side, just under the account tab. You'll see a little phone button. Tap on that, and then you'll get a screen like this, and then you're going to see update, restore iPhone. We don't need to do that just yet. And then backups just underneath here, and you can automatically back up to iCloud. That's the safest one because that's going to go onto the Apple servers, or you can go this computer. However, the downside to that is if your computer fails, you may lose your data that way. Then you can go to backup now over here, click on that one, and that's going to back up your phone. You'll need to pop your password into your phone, like so, and then when you tap on try again, that's now going to back up. So you'll see that bar, the blue bar up here, that's going to start to climb up, and that will show that you're backing up. And that's it. That'll ensure you never lose your data, because that will always be on the cloud. And if your phone does fail, then you get a new phone, then you can then back up from the iCloud to your new phone, and you'll have all your data. So the next video we're going to do is a device firmware upgrade. So if you were to get a critical error on your software and you're unable to open your phone or access the data, we would do what we call DFU. That'll be on the next video, and you can see how to do that. 9 times out of 10 that will work, and if it doesn't, then that's a hardware failure and it's time for a new phone. So hopefully we'll see you on the next video. If you like this video, please like and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one. Thanks a lot.